Hello guys and welcome back to Learn Cyber EH. Today we are back on PicoCTF website looking at the Serpentine General Skills Challenge. So I'm going to just do a quick run through of this challenge. It's not too difficult. So we'll start off by looking at the description, find the flag in the Python script, and then it gives us a link to download that script. So as usual, we'll right click and select copy link address, go over to our web shell, type in wget, and then paste in the link. Now if we look at our directory, we'll see we have a new file called serpentine.py. So we will run this file first of all to see what it is or what it does. Okay, so it gives us a image of a snake. It says welcome to the Serpentine Encourager. A, print encouragement. B, print flag. So if you push A and enter, it says you can do it. If we push B and enter, it said oops, I must have misplaced the print flag function. Check my source code. Okay, so we'll exit by pushing C, and we'll now use Vim to check the code basically in that Serpentine file. So vi serpentine.py, enter, and we'll have a look. So we see this function here, print flag, will print this flag here. This is the encrypted version of it, so print it in plain text. And we see this is the print encouragement function we seen earlier. If we look down here at this while function, while true, if A, print, use the print encouragement function. If B, it just says to print this string here, which we don't want. And if C, exit. So we'll edit this code. We'll push I to go into edit mode. We'll go up, and I'm just going to comment out that print function so it doesn't run. You put a hash in front of it to comment it out. And then I'm going to go back here and put in that flag function, which is called print underscore flag. Okay. So go back up to that. So if B is entered, we want to execute the print flag function. So all we do is put that in there, and that is it. So we'll push escape to get out of edit mode, colon WQ to write and quit. And now we'll go back, push up to run the Serpentine file again, and we'll push B to print the flag, and it should work this time. So there we go. We see it has actually printed the flag here, PicoCTF flag. We'll copy this just to make sure it is correct. We'll enter it in here, paste, and submit flag. And there we go, that's that flag completed, that challenge completed. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again next time.